Hey Katie, I got your email. I'm just gonna make a quick video. It looks like you're doing the wrong assignments. Don't panic. We're gonna figure it out. So there's a couple ways to see what you should be with the graded stuff. So this stuff in the study plan isn't graded work. If you want to know what's graded, you can go into your grade book. There's a couple things to do. What I usually say first off is go to in D2L, not in my labs, in D2L, and you go to syllabus and you go to the course schedule. Okay, now this is your guide. This is what I'll post. I post an announcement sometimes as well. So, for example, here's what you should have done from 093. Well, your discussions, those are here in D2L, but this stuff, the PML, that's Pearson My Labs, homework assignment, and then a quiz, and then you got readings, and then you have homework assignment and a quiz. That was for 093. So now I'm going to take you into Pearson, and this is what you did. So you did a lot of this JIT just-in-time stuff is 093 stuff, and you did a lot of it, but you're doing the wrong thing. You're doing like practice stuff, okay? And you did well, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you credit for it. But here's what you're supposed to be doing. Okay, so these are the official, see these ones that are past due? That's what you missed. So how do you know that? Well, first the course schedule, all these line up with what's on the course schedule. Like these, for example, here's the 093 quiz 1. If I go back to here, that's this guy right here. Okay. So, and those JIT things that you missed, those are right here. Homework assignments 1 through 5. Those are these guys, 1 through 5. Okay. But the good news is when you're doing this review stuff, you're doing some of the same material. So I'm going to go ahead, and you did well on that. So I'm just going to give you this grade for this stuff, but we want to correct this for the 121 stuff or the future modules. So let's take a look. So don't worry about this 093 module. I'm going to go ahead and give you your grade for that. Okay. Now, here's where we are now. So what I want you to do is start working on this stuff. So module 1 is due Sunday. It's all these PML, that's the stuff you got to do for a grade. PLM quiz 1 through 4. So how do you find that? Well, you can look in your grade book here, but the best way to find it, I think, is to go to calendar. And there should be links for this. So that stuff that's due on the 26th, if you hover over your calendar, you see these assignments. And you can click on it that way. And that's where there's the JIT ones that you missed. You can get there through the calendar. Okay. So I hope that helps. What you're doing is like practice stuff. Okay. What you want to do, you can do that in order to practice. But what you want to do for a grade is what's listed on here. And whatever's listed on here corresponds to what's on your calendar here. Okay, what I would do is print this out or bookmark it. And for example, this Sunday, you have this stuff due. All right, so make sure you do your discussions. I didn't see if you had those done. Those are separate from my labs. They're done in D2L. And then all this stuff is what you're missing, the my lab stuff. Okay, so don't worry about 093. It looks like you did, like I said, I'm going to give you this grade. Where'd that go? Oh, I know. I moved away from. Anyway, you did fine for 093. That's basically, you got an A for that class. I'm going to give you that grade for all the practice stuff you did. Okay. But starting now, let's do our, these assignments. So this is what you want to focus on. This is your first real module for 121. Okay. So I hope that helps. If you want to call me, to clear it up, you can give me a call or just send me another message, and we can correspond via email.